Where'd it go?
Oh, somebody, I don't know, I put it here.
What, like somewhere here?
Yeah, I put it in this box.
Oh, it was in that?
No, I put it here.
Oh, like set it there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it probably hopped and hid.
In the oil, I think he's dropping the oil. But I clean, I wash it. I wash. You want it?
Yeah, what's on it?
Oil, that's why.
Yeah. Is he drinking? Does he seem hurt?
Yeah, I wash it.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. Hi, it's okay. I know. It's really scary because we're humans.
Yeah, come in.
I think if you call Ohio Wildlife, they might be able to help.
You take it? You do this?
I mean, I can. I have like a little cage. Can you look up on your phone and see if they're open?
Which one?
Ohio Wildlife. It's all the way in like Dublin.
You want to take it there?
Maybe.
You got a box this.
Woo!
See?
Yeah.
Right, huh?
Oh shit. Where'd it go?
That's good. He's now healthy. Nice.
You want to try put him back out there? Like in the tree?
In a tree?
Yeah.
That's good. Try.
Okay. Hold on to him so he doesn't fly away in the road. We'll go,
Front door open.
here. The side.
Find here in the morning, but he's here oil here.
Oh, he was trying to drink water.
Probably, right?
And that's oil?
Oil, yeah.
Oh. Okay, here, let's put him in this bush. Yeah. Hey, no, he's happy now. Yeah. Good job, man.
Good, right?
Yes, very good, very good.
I wait. I see where my coming, my friend. I tell.
Yeah. Perfect timing, huh? Something told me I should come over here and not go to the other place.
See, that's cool.
Yeah, man, God works mysterious ways. Hey, thanks for helping the bird.
Thank you.
Hopefully he doesn't like go back into that water.